Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello class, how are you today?
I'm great. I'm great, ma'am.
Okay, before we start our class, it will be better we pray first, okay? The leader.
Attention please. Let's pray. Okay, finish.
Okay guys, today our materials is about narrative text. Before that, I want to ask you, do you know what is narrative text?
Me, ma'am.
Yes?
I think narrative text is the text that tells a fantasy.
Yes, good. Anyone?
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, please.
I think, in my opinion, narrative text is a fiction story.
Good answer, class. Give applause. So, what is narrative text? Narrative text is an imaginative story to entertain people. You know what are the type of narrative text?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
It is a fairy tale, mystery, science fiction, and romance.
Yes. Anyone?
Me?
Yes.
Okay, there are another example. There are fable, myth, and legend.
Yes. Give. Good. Give applause. Okay. The next one is about the general structure of narrative text. Do you know what are the generic structure of narrative text?
May I?
Yes, please.
So narrative text usually has three structures. The first one is orientation. The second is complication.
Yes.
And the last is resolution.
There is one.
Yes.
There is one thing.
Yes.
It's coda or reorientation.
Yes. Good answer. Good. This is optional, guys.
Okay.
So orientation is explain about the character or the place in the first paragraph, and the complication, this is about the problem in the story, and the resolution, this is about the resolve the problem in the story, and the coda, this is the moral value in the story. You get it, right?
Got it, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Okay. The next one is about the characteristic or the language feature of narrative text. Do you know what are the language feature of narrative text?
Me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
So the language features in narrative text is narrative text use past tense,
Yes.
adverb of time, time conjunction, specific character, and direct speech.
Okay, thank you, Lan. So, the language feature or the characteristic of narrative text usually use past tense, and then using adverb of time, conjunction, specific character, and direct speech. Okay, now I'll give you each group. Before that, I give you the number. You can number 1. Ulan number 2, Nurul number 3, and then dia number 1, Nada number 2, and Baby number 3. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If you get the first number, you are going to explain about the text. I'll give you text to analyze. This is the text. Page berapa? Okay, people get the number 1. We'll explain the text in characteristic of narrative text. And then number 3, we'll write the text in the whiteboard. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, guys. Each you has own part. So I want you to join with your friends. Have same part. You can discuss, and after that you can share with your friends. You can move.
Oh,
Okay, ma'am. You with me together.
Wait, masuk.
Come on. Yeah, we are the first number.
And you can. What about this? What is it? Good job, class. Okay, class. I think time is up. Okay. Are you done, guys?
We're done, ma'am.
Okay, you can do your part. First, you write the text in. I think you can come back to your here. Your room. Smart monkey. You monkey. You sister monkey. You can write text, guys. Okay, man.
Alright.
by if you get the number 1, I want you first explain the generic structure of narrative text. Dear, please, you can explain the generic structure.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, well, I think the first paragraph is orientation. Because in the orientation, the participants or characters of the story are a smart monkey and dull crocodile. And the second paragraph is complication. Because in complication, is when the crocodile want to eat the monkey. The crocodile was very hungry. He stopped in the middle of the river and said to the monkey, "My father is very sick. He has to eat the heart of the monkey." Of course, the monkey do not want to be the crocodile's meal, and that is the problem which sets the whole story. So this is called complication. And the last paragraph is resolution. In the resolution part, a problem must be resolved. It can succeed or fail. In this story, the monkey succeeds to solve the problem. He gets free from the hungry crocodile. The crocodile agreed and turned around. He swam back to the bank of the river. As soon as they reached the river bank, the monkey jumped off the crocodile's back. Then he climbed up to the top of a tree. That's it.
Thank you, dear. Bernomor. Okay, the next one is the generic structure and the language feature or characteristic of narrative text will explain by Rizka. Rizka, please. The language feature or characteristic of narrative text.
Okay.
Can I explain in different?
Okay, I'm going to explain about the language feature. So the first one is past tense. So in this text we can see that. So in this text there are past tense. There are so many past tense, and there are some examples that I want to write here. Is wanted, stop, and told, and so on. The second one is about the adverb of time. The example of this text is once upon a time. And the third one is about time conjunction. In this text, we can see that there are time conjunction. For example, is when, then, suddenly. And there are also action verbs. The example of action verb from this text is eat, swim, and walked, and many more. And the last one is direct speech. So the direct speech is actually to make the story lively. For example, my father is very sick. He has to eat the heart of the monkey. Thank you.
Good job, Rizka. Big applause. Okay, guys, each you have to do your own part. So narrative text is imaginative story to entertain people. The type of narrative text dari folk tale, fairy tale, romance, myth, legend, and others. And the generic structure of narrative text there is orientation, complication, and
Resolution.
And the last one is
Kodara.
Okay, what about the generic the language feature of narrative text?
Using past tense.
Yes.
Using adverb of time.
Yes.
Time conjunction.
Action verb.
Yes.
Direct speech.
Okay. Good class. Give applause to you. Okay. Thanks for your discussion. I think you get a point. You understand, guys?
Yes.
Do you have any question?
I think no. So far so good.
Okay, if you don't have question, I hope you understand the materials is about narrative text. Okay, I hope we can learn more and get more information. Okay, thanks for your attention. So I will close this class. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you next week, class.
See you.